Alright, this is it. I said if I ever got an air rifle, I was going to do a video as I was unpacking it. This particular air rifle came from Airguns of Arizona. They always claim in their webpage that they double box everything, and we've got a box here. Looks like it's been double boxed. So now I'm just gonna see as I open the box and see what we get here. Spent a lot of time online researching this particular rifle, and finally went ahead and decided after months of research and reading different forums and getting as much information as I could about it that I would went ahead and ordered it. And it is definitely double boxed. It looks like there's a bunch of little popcorn peanuts in there. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see there's a lot of peanuts in there. Oh. That was a pack of pellets, Super Domes. This is a RWS 48 and a 22 cal. Yeah, lots of peanuts. Okay. This is making a big mess here. There's more peanuts than what I thought in here. Yeah, they got it packed good. They got it packed so good I can't even get it out of the box. There it comes. Alright. This is what I've been waiting for quite a while. I've got an old RWS Model 45 that I bought back in the 80s. And I recently started shooting it again because just looking for something to do. Well, I took the old iron sights off of it and went ahead and bought a scope for it, and I really started enjoying shooting it. So that, since that gun was so old, let me get rid of this. You know, I don't really know how well the old 45 still shoots pretty good, but really excited to get something new, more in modern technology, and this is what I went with. RWS Model 48 in a 22 caliber. On the back of the box, it has kind of neat, has all the different models that RWS makes. I mean, the more popular ones it looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. Box isn't damaged in any way, which is nice. Thanks to those folks double boxing it for me. I always like to keep the original packaging when I can. And oh yeah, here it is. They went ahead and checked it. They certified it at Airguns of Arizona. Looks like they did some testing on it. They used the RWS Hobby, and it looks like 912, 834, 816, 804, 798, 912, 798. Not quite sure. 832. There's some numbers here, but I'm not quite sure what they all mean. I can show you that. Maybe you can see that, and maybe that has some meaning. I'll have to figure that out later, what that exactly is. But looks like they got a little manual here. We certify that this product has been inspected and tested for each of the items below. So they check the metal work, stock condition, operation functionality, all components complete, and then they got some initials who did it, and it's kind of nice. And it has their logo right here in the corner. And they said, thank you. I thank them as well. Whoop. All right, so we've got some foam here. Helps hold the gun in position. It's wrapped in a plastic bag. And we got a piece of foam in the back here. And it looks like there's some instructions in the owner's manuals in the box as well. And here's the actual rifle. Like I said, I've been waiting a long time for this, and I'm pretty excited to see it. Stock is a little darker than what I thought it was going to be. It looks nice. This is the side lever. Whenever you cock it, has a side lever on it. And there we have it. Got it out of the box, out of the plastic. And there it is. RWS Model 48 in a 22 caliber. And it has the TO6 trigger. There's your lever on the side for cocking the lever. And it feels nice. The wood feels real nice. Stock looks to be in great shape. Don't see any kind of pressure wear points in it at all. It's nice. Looking forward to actually shooting it. Barrel looks nice and clean. Everything looks like it's in pretty good order. So there it is. RWS 48, 22 caliber, and a TO6 trigger. Very nice looking gun. I like it a lot. I'm really excited about it. So there was my unpacking of my first air rifle in, well, the last time I bought an air rifle was in 1983. That's when I got my Model 45. So this is nice. All right, thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, a good place to go get some information about air rifles is Gateway to Airguns. That's where I ran into a lot of nice folks there in the forum. They have different forums for different manufacturers. This one here is a German rifle, so it's a German airgun gate. And there's quite a few different gates to hang out in, ask questions, email, post pictures. So they were a lot of help, and they helped me decide which gun I wanted to get. So, alrighty, we got some homework to do here to read up on this and figure out how everything works. And thanks again for watching.